ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. శివాది శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమ. It's been a long time doing this in-car live recording of something related to Sanatana Dharma. So the topic I thought of talking about today is Satyam. So our national emblem has this Satyameva Jayate. Satyam Eva Jayate. So this sloka is actually coming from the Mundaka Upanishad. It's a Upanishadic sloka. So when we speak about something from the Upanishadic sloka, the Shanti mantra need to be recited or talked about. So let us first take the Shanti mantra. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunuyama Devaha. So Bhadram, that which is reassuring, auspicious. Karnebhi Shrunuyama, from the ears let us hear. Devaha Bhadram Pashyema Akshabhirya Jatraha. Bhadram, reassuring and auspicious. Pasyema, let us see some things. Akshabhihi, with the eyes. Yajatraha, so all those who are following the whatever is Bhadram heard through the ears, let us also experience that Bhadram. Bhadram Pasyema Akshabhirya Jatraha. Sthiraihi angaihi tushtuvahum saha tanubhihi. Along with the body, the angas, the limbs and the indriyas, tushyati, let them be contented. Sthiraihi, let them be established. Sthirair angaihi tushtuvahum saha tanubhihi. Vyasema devahitam yadayuhu. Let us pass that devahitam, which is hitam to the gods, hitam which is agreeable to the gods, which is nourished by the gods, the ayuhu, the lifespan, whatever is remaining, devahitam, let it be devahitam yadayuhu vyasema, let us pass that thing. Swasti na indro vruddhasravaha. Swasti na su asti, let the Indra be in the right position, Suasti, with the right form, right place. Indra, who is Vruddha Sravaha, one who has heard Vruddha Srava, Vruddha Vruddhi, developed Sravaha, development, one who has heard to such great sages. That's why Indra becomes Lord or whatever. Swastina Indro Vruddha Srava. Swastinah Pusha Visvavedaha. Pusha, the one who is nourishing all of us, the Pusha, sun god. Swasti Naha Visvavedaha, who knows everything of this Vishwa is Vishwavedaha. Vishwavedaha, with who knows the Vishwa, Vishwavedaha, Swasti. Let him be auspicious to us. Swastina Indro Vruddhasvaravaha. Swastinah Pusha Visvavedaha. Swastinaha Tarkshyo Arishta Nemi. That's the Tarksha Arishta Nemi, one who removes the Arishtas, obstacle remover of Tarksha Arishta Nemi. So three gods, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Indro, Pusha and Tarksha. Finally, Swastinor Bruhaspatir Dadhatu. The Bruhaspati, who is the Brahmanaspati, Brihaspati. Brihaspati is the intellect, Pati of the intellect, one who is Pati of learning, Pati of teaching, Pati of learning. Swasti, be auspicious to us. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let there be peace in all the three layers of gross, subtle and causal layers, all the layers of existence, whatever exists, let it be peaceful. That is our prayer. With that prayer, we will come to the actual subject of Satyam. So, what is this Satyam? Satyam eva jayate. Satyameva jayate. Na anrutam. Na anrutam. So Satyam, truth alone, eva, alone triumphs. Satyameva jayate. Na anyate. Not na anrutam. So Satyameva jayate. Na anrutam. What is anrutam? Ratam is the followed Satyam. One who follows the Satyam, the truthful path, experiences individually whatever is experiences, that is called Ratam, the straightforwardness, the Ratam. Anrutam, when Satyam is not followed, or Satyam is not even understood, or whatever is non-truth is followed in any way, Anrutam, that is Anrutam, which is opposite of Satyam. So there is Asatyam, there is nothing Asatyam. All this is Satyam only. How an individual understands, conducts himself, creates Ratam or Anratam. So Ratam or Anratam are possible, but Satyam is the basis. So Satyam eva jayate na Anratam. So Anratam is not. Satyasya pantha vitato devayanaha. Satyasya, of that Satya, pantha, the path, vitataha, tataha, atataha, vitataha, when it is spread across, vitataha, variously spread across. So, the Satya's path is variously spread. That is no single path to the Satyam. Satyam is one. But the Vitato Devayanaha, all those paths that are leading to this Satya are known as Devayana, opposite to Pitruyana, which runs around cycle and again. So, Satyasya Pantha, Pantha Padhi path, Satyasya Pantha, Vitataha, spread, variously spread. Devayanaha is spread of this Satyam. Satyasya Pantha Vitato Devayanaha. Yena akramat, by holding on to, treading on that paths, one of those paths, any of those paths. Yena akramat, Rushyoho, one who are the followers of Rutam, Rishis, Ruzumarga, straightforward, people who are taking towards that Satya path, Rishyoho. There is a Visheshana for them. He aptakamaha, those who have fulfilled desires, aptakamaha. So kama, rishis will have three layers: atmakama, aptakama, akama. So one who is desiring only self is atmakama. He is also a rishi. Aptakama, one who has only fulfilled desires, is aptakama. Akama, Aptakama, fulfilled desire is not a desire. So akama is the state where the kama, desire itself, kama hatasya. That is also known as the kama desire is killed thoroughly. So kama's root is avidya. So once avidya is killed, kama is killed, karma is killed. So yena akramat rishyoho aptakamaha yatra, they are reaching tat satyasya, of that truth, Param Nidhanam. Param, supreme abode. Satyameva jayate nanrutam. Satyasya pantha vitato devayanaha. Yenakramatrushyo hyaptakamaha yatra tat satyasya param nidhanam. So this is the nature of truth. So truth is the param nidhanam. By that truth only the paths of truth, Devayanas, have been formed, multiple, Vitataha, Devayana. Yena akramat, the rishis who are striving, yogis, rishis, who tread on these paths of truth, of Devayana, they surely reach, yatra tat satyasya paranyadhanam, they surely reach that paranyadhanam. So it is the eve of Yogini Ekadasi. This Ekadasi comes after the Nirjala Ekadasi and before the Sayana Ekadasi. Means just before the Jagannatha Rathayatra. In few days time, Jagannatha Rathayatra will happen. Means God, the yogi, he takes a yoga nidra. The greatest yogi, Narayana, goes into his Yoga Nidra. Dakshinayana Punyakalam will start upcoming Seni Ekadasi, around that Seni Ekadasi. Drik Pancha, as per the experienced solar movement, it is the northernmost tip of the point sun reaches. This around this time, this Ekadasi, Yogini Ekadasi comes in. So this Yogini Ekadasi is about those rishis who are, or the yogis who are taking on the path of this Satyam, and that is Sanatanam. That is the Sanatana Dharma. That is the greatest Tirthayatra anybody can do, with that target as Satyam. So may that this auspicious time, this Yogini Ekadasi that happens around the epoch of Ashwini Nakshatra. In the Ashwini Nakshatra, around Ashwini Nakshatra, the Ekadasi Tithi comes, this Yogini Bahula Ekadasi of Jyeshta Masa. And one of these Tithis, one of these is dedicated to the Yoginis, their destination is Satyam, the path is of Satyam, and those who have treaded that path definitely reached that target. And this is Sanatanam, eternal. So that is the truth revealed in the as the conclusion of Vedas. Vedanta, Yoga, all these paths, all these darshanas will definitely lead to this truth alone, and that truth alone triumphs. So again, to conclude, we will go back to the Shanti Mantra. Bhadram karnebhih shrunuyama devaah bhadram pashyemakshabhiryajtraah sthirairangais tushtavam sastanubhih yasema devahitam yadaruyu swasti na indro vruddhasrava swasti na pusha visvaveda swasti nastarksho arishtanemi swasti nor bruhaspatir dadhatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. Swasti.